In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Coda IO account. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting your account is permanent. Your profile, your data, and any documents you own will be removed. If there's anything you might need later, consider exporting or transferring ownership first, because once the process is complete, it can't be undone. First, make sure you're signed in to your Coda account. From there, head to your account settings. You can usually get there by clicking your profile picture or initials in the top corner and choosing the account or settings option. This is where Coda keeps the controls for your profile, security, and importantly for today, deletion. On the account settings page, scroll all the way down until you see the advanced settings section. It's collapsed by default, so click to expand it. Advanced settings is where Coda places actions that have bigger consequences, which is why the delete option lives here. Next, click delete my account. At this point, Coda will show a clear warning so you know exactly what will happen. Read it carefully. You'll see a note explaining that all of your account data and any documents that you own will be lost. Documents that belong to other people won't disappear, but you'll lose access because your account will no longer exist. If this is what you want, check the box to confirm you understand the consequences, then click Confirm Deletion. To protect your account, Coda adds one final layer of verification. They'll send a confirmation code to the email address registered to your account. Open your email inbox and look for a message from Coda with that code. If it doesn't arrive within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you're looking at the correct inbox. Most verification codes expire after a short time, so use it promptly. If needed, you can request a new code from the account page. Return to the Coda account settings page, enter the code exactly as it appears, and submit it to finalize the deletion. Once the code is accepted, your account will be scheduled for permanent removal and you'll be signed out. Keep in mind that this will end your access to any content tied to your account. If you had an active paid plan, review your billing statements separately to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Coda account using the built-in controls, with a final verification step to keep your data secure.